Hi, how do we know that a username exists in the database? So this is a simple database with only two. So when we type COVID, right, the password will be retrieved. But how do we know that this is in this list? Suppose that we have 1,000 users name. How do we do that? We can use the COUNTIF, and we check with this range here, right? Comma, take on this value here, and it will give us 1. So with that, we can check if the return value is equal to 1, and it will show as true. So this is the basic understanding. Now we can work on this by using VBA as well. Well, this is how we write this, right? This is code, and then and we can check it. So let's do this again. So like the sub use COUNTIF example, right? So I can have this underscore here, right? And open bracket. Okay. So I can call out the COUNTIF function by using the WorksheetFunctions dot COUNTIF, and followed by the arrangement, right? That's B3 to B4. So in Excel we use the range B3 to B4, and then comma to find whether it's in cell E3 is it matching with that. I can use E3. So you can see that this part here are very similar to this, and then I want to check is it equal to 1. I can do so with that 1, and now I'm going to combine it with the if function here. If checking this return of 1 is equal to 1, you get true, then I will use this. Then I will just say I call a message, right? I can say user exists. Okay, if not, I can do something else, right? So I can use else. I can just put it here. User does not exist. So I can go over here and then I check. So I run this code, right? And it tells us user exists. So what if I just change it to COVID? So, and I run this code, user not exist, does not exist. So it's the same, right? Now this is clearly showing a message box, and this is not. But here we demonstrate how to use the worksheet functions and call out the COUNTIF function. Thanks for watching.